At MEGAH SoftWash, our sales process is all about clear communication through preparation and unmatched customer service from start to finish. It begins with our office team reaching out to schedule your estimate at a time that's convenient for you. When we arrive, we take the time to walk you through every detail of our cleaning process and how we serve our customers with excellence. During the estimate, we go beyond a quick glance. We take detailed pictures and videos of your home to ensure we fully understand your needs and are completely prepared to deliver the best possible result. It's all part of how we make sure you feel confident and informed every step of the way. At MEGAH SoftWash, we're more than a cleaning service. We're on a mission to create wow events for all people through gratitude and a servant's heart. Call us today to see the MEGAH difference.